What if I told you it's possible to make over $100 a day online starting this week? You don't need followers, a website, or even a product. Just smart tools, simple steps, and strategy. Let's dive into the quickest way to start making money online in 2025. Use faceless AI video plus affiliate marketing. Pick a trending niche like AI tools, personal finance, or fitness. Use tools like Pictory.ai or InVideo to create faceless videos. These tools turn blog articles or scripts into YouTube videos with voiceovers and visuals in minutes. Add affiliate links in your video description. Promote tools you talk about and earn every time someone signs up. Some users are going viral and getting paid per play. Or use DeepSeek AI to offer freelance coding, automation, or AI chatbot setup on Fiverr and Upwork. You can charge $50 to $300 per project and let AI do the heavy lifting. Here's the realistic breakdown. To AI videos with affiliate links $30-50 day. One freelance gig with DeepSeek $100. Music content with Suno passive daily income. Stack them, and you've got a 100-day system that compounds over time. I'm Smart Gabriel's helping you turn tech into income. Subscribe for real tools, smart systems, and weekly videos that help you earn online. The tools exist. The money is real. Let's build with it.